Have you ever wondered how a car is made? This question serves as our gateway into the complex and intriguing world of car manufacturing. This marvel of engineering often goes unnoticed, yet it's an intricate ballet of precision, technology, and human ingenuity. Cars, these ubiquitous machines that we often take for granted, undergo a fascinating journey from raw materials to the shiny new vehicles we see on the road. This journey is a meticulous process involving hundreds of parts, numerous stages, and countless hours of labour. From the initial design to the assembly line, each step plays a pivotal role in bringing a car to life. Today we're going to delve into this intricate process, exploring it from start to finish. We'll discover the key stages of car manufacturing and the intricacies involved in each of them. So buckle up and prepare to embark on an educational ride. Get ready to learn about the fascinating journey from raw materials to a shiny new car. Every car starts with an idea, a spark of inspiration that fuels the creative minds of engineers and designers. This is the design stage, the birthplace of every vehicle. It's here that our talented team sets to work, brainstorming, sketching, and eventually creating detailed blueprints for the car. They're not just designing a car, they're innovating a masterpiece. The designers must consider aerodynamics, fuel efficiency, safety features, and of course, aesthetics. Every curve, every line, every detail is meticulously planned and perfected. This process isn't swift, it demands time. It could take months or even years for a design to move from the drawing board to the factory floor. But patience is key. It's like baking a cake, you can't rush perfection. Once the design is finalized, the blueprints are transformed into tangible parts, and the concept car becomes a reality. Once the design is finalized, it's time to start building. The car's journey from concept to reality begins with a sheet of metal. Indeed, that's where our story picks up today, in the midst of a symphony of machinery and metal. Picture this, a humble sheet of metal, unassuming and plain, about to embark on a remarkable transformation. This is the stage where raw materials start to take the shape of a car, where sheets of metal evolve into a sleek and sturdy body. The first step in this process is cutting. Using high-precision lasers, the metal sheets are meticulously cut into the required shapes and sizes. These lasers are so precise they can cut through metal as easily as a hot knife through butter. This is where the car begins to take form, piece by piece, like a mechanical jigsaw puzzle. Following the cutting comes the bending. The cut pieces are then shaped and molded to form the intricate curves and folds that give a car its unique personality. The bending process is carried out by advanced robotic machines, capable of applying the exact amount of pressure needed to form the perfect bend every single time. Now, we have an array of car parts, each meticulously shaped and ready to be assembled. This is where welding comes into play. Each piece is joined to its counterpart through a series of welds carried out by, you guessed it, more robots. These robotic welders work with an accuracy and speed that would leave even the most skilled human welder in awe. During the welding process, the car's body starts to come alive. It's like watching a 3D puzzle being solved before your eyes. Each piece fits perfectly into its place, creating a structure that is both robust and beautiful. And there you have it, a car body born from sheets of metal, shaped and welded into a form that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. But this body is still a blank canvas, a canvas that's about to be filled with vibrant colours and a glossy finish. With the body complete, it's time to paint and polish. Our journey from sheets to body has come to an end, but the car's journey is far from over. Join us in the next stage, where we add colour to this newly minted masterpiece. Now comes the colourful part. The journey of a car's transformation to its final vibrant appearance involves a meticulous process of painting. First and foremost, the car body is thoroughly cleaned. Every nook and cranny is scrubbed down to ensure a smooth surface. Following this, a primer is applied, a crucial step that provides a stable base and promotes the adhesion of the paint. The car body is then ready to receive its first coat of paint. Multiple layers may be applied, with each layer painstakingly sanded down to ensure a perfect finish. Don't be surprised if the car goes through this painting process several times. It's all part of the quest for perfection. The final step in this transformation is the polishing. A high-quality polish is used to give the car a glossy, mirror-like finish. Once the car is looking shiny and new, it's time to add some power. The heart of every car is its engine. Now let's delve into the fascinating journey of how the engine, the powerhouse of the car, comes to life and finds its place within the vehicle. The production of a car engine is a complex process involving a combination of human skill and precision machinery. Initially, the engine block, the core component of the engine, is cast from high-strength iron or aluminum alloys. This is followed by a series of intricate machining processes to ensure the block meets the exact specifications. The crankshaft, camshaft, pistons, and other internal components are then meticulously assembled within the block. Once the engine is assembled, it undergoes rigorous testing to ensure optimal performance and reliability. It is not uncommon for an engine to be run at full throttle for several hours before it is deemed fit for installation. The installation of the engine is a sight to behold. It's a dance of sorts, a carefully choreographed sequence between human workers and machines. The car body is prepared for the engine's arrival, with all the necessary wiring and plumbing carefully laid out. The engine, cradled by a robotic arm, is then lowered into the car's body. As we watch this spectacle, let's not forget the human touch. The skilled workers, with their experienced hands and keen eyes, guide the engine into its precise position. They connect the engine to the transmission, attach the exhaust system, secure the radiator, and perform a host of other tasks to ensure everything is in perfect order. Once the engine is in place, the car undergoes yet another round of testing. The engine is started and all systems are checked to ensure they're working in harmony. If everything checks out, the car is one step closer to being ready for its journey on the open road. It's a mesmerizing process, isn't it? The creation and installation of an engine, a testament to human ingenuity and the marvel of modern machinery. Now that the car has an engine, it's almost ready to hit the road. The final steps in car manufacturing are all about the details. This is where all the separate pieces come together to form the complete picture, the car as you know it. It's a process that demands precision, care, and a keen eye for quality control. The car's interior is like the living room of your home. It's where the driver and passengers will spend their time, so comfort, style, and functionality are key considerations. The seats, for instance, aren't just bolted on. They're carefully crafted, often by hand, to ensure both comfort and safety. From the stitching on the leather to the ergonomic design, every detail is meticulously checked and double-checked. The dashboard, too, is more than just a panel with dials and buttons. It's the control center, the brain of the vehicle. Modern dashboards are a marvel of technology, hosting an array of digital displays and innovative features. It's here where the car's electronics are installed. From the infotainment system to the climate control and navigation, every component is integrated with precision. The car's electronics are a fascinating aspect of the finishing touches. With the rise of smart cars, these systems have evolved exponentially. They're the nerve center of the car, controlling everything from safety features like airbags and anti-lock brakes to conveniences like power windows and keyless entry. Now the car starts to resemble the vehicles we see cruising down highways and parked in driveways. It's a transformation that's as remarkable as it is intricate, but the process doesn't stop there. Every vehicle undergoes a final inspection, where it's checked for any flaws or defects. If it passes this rigorous quality control test, it's deemed ready for the road. And with that, the car is ready to be driven off the assembly line. It's a testament to the incredible art of car manufacturing, where countless separate elements are combined to create a single, cohesive whole. It's a process that's as fascinating as it is complex, and one that continues to evolve with every passing year. So, that's how a car is made. From the initial design stage, where creativity meets functionality, to the transformation of simple sheets of metal into a sturdy car body, the journey of a car's creation is truly fascinating. The car then gets its vibrant colour, reflecting its personality, before being fitted with a powerful engine that makes it a moving marvel. The finishing touches add the final flourish, making it ready to hit the roads. Now let's sprinkle in some fun facts. Did you know that an average car comprises over 30,000 parts? Yes, that's right, 30,000. And the time it takes to build one, well, it's just about 24 hours. Quite impressive, isn't it? So the next time you see a car, remember the incredible journey it took to get from a sheet of metal to the marvel of engineering it is today.